Hello everyone, welcome to today's political science online class. Today I will be discussing with you about national parties of India. The first national party of India is Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress was founded in the year 1885. W.C. Banerjee was the first president of Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress always follows secularism. Secularism means all religion should be treated equally. India is a secular country, whereas Pakistan is a theocratic state. Theocratic state means the state which declares one religion as its official religion, that is a theocratic state. But India is not like that. India follows secularism. So Indian National Congress was in power from 1947 to 1977. This span of period is described as one party dominance. And in 1977 only the first non-Congress ministry came into power. Now Indian National Congress is a opposition party at the center. Srimati Sonia Gandhi is the present president of Indian National Congress. Now I will be discussing with you the next party, that is CPI. Communist Party of India, that is the full form of CPI. Communist Party of India was established in the year 1925. M.N. Roy, he was one of the founding members of Communist Party of India. But in 1964, there was a split in Communist Party of India and one new party was formed, that is CPIM, Communist Party of India Marxist. It was mainly because on one issue, there was a discussion whether we are to follow the communism of Russia or to follow the communism of China. One group of people supported for Russian communism, that is CPI, Communist Party of India. Whereas other group of people, they supported to follow the communism of China, that is CPIM, Communist Party of India Marxist. So this is because of this issue, there was a split in this CPI. A new party was founded in the year 1964, that is CPIM, Communist Party of India Marxist. Now I am going to discuss with you the third national party of India, BJP. BJP stands for Bharatiya Janata Party. It is the ruling party of India. There are two alliances in Indian politics. One is NDA, National Democratic Alliance, and it is led by BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, whereas another one is there, UPA, United Progressive Alliance. It is led by Indian National Congress. But in the recent election, we all know, last year, 2019 election, Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India. He is a leader of BJP. Bharatiya Janata Party always stand for Indian culture and tradition. They call it as Hindutva. Bharatiya Janata Party supports Hindutva, Indian culture. That is the meaning of Hindutva. Now I will discuss with you about the fourth national party of India, Communist Party of India Marxist. It is commonly known as CPIM. This party, as I already discussed with you, was formed in the year 1964. Communist Party of India always voice for the workers, laborers and landless laborers. This party is a ruling party in Kerala right now. CPIM stands for the welfare of workers. Now, the present General Secretary of CPIM is Sitaram Yechury. He is leading the party right now. Now I will be discussing with you the fifth national party of India, Bahujan Samaj Party. Bahujan Samaj Party was founded in the year 1984. Its founder is Kanshiram. Bahujan Samaj Party has got a strong base in UP. The present president of BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party, is Mayawati. Bahujan Samaj Party always support for majority. Majority doesn't mean that Hindu majority. Majority here means all the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, OEC and other minority communities. These all sections commonly called as majority as per BSP. So BSP is a strong party in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Now I will be discussing with you the sixth political party, that is Nationalist Congress Party. It is known by another name, Rashtrawadhi Congress. This party was founded in the year 1999. The founder of this party is Sharad Pawar. He belongs to Maharashtra, and it is a split away from party from Indian National Congress. Sharad Pawar strongly opposed the possession of highest office of the country like President of India or Prime Minister of India to be foreign citizens. It was his view that all the topmost position of the administration should be taken up by citizens, those who are born in India. In that particular direction, he formed this party NCP. Now, NCP is a alliance in Maharashtra state government. Not only that, from 2004 to 14, Manmohan Singh regime, this party was a ruling partner. Now I will be discussing with you the last political party or National Party of India, the seventh one, that is Trinamool Congress. It is known by short form TMC, Trinamool Congress. This party was founded in the year 1998. The leader of this party is Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee, popularly known as Didi in Indian politics. It is also a split away party from Indian National Congress. It is a ruling party in West Bengal. This party also support for the weaker section of the society, laborers, farmers, etc. Thank you very much.